This quick guide will show you how to buy fractional shares on Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, buying fractional shares can be a great way to diversify your portfolio without needing to invest large sums of money. Moomoo makes this process straightforward and accessible, so let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device and log into your account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it in your device's app store. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the app's home screen. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a search icon. Go ahead and tap on that to begin. Now, you'll want to type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in purchasing. Moomoo's search functionality is pretty intuitive, so you should have no trouble finding the stock you have in mind. Once you see it in the search results, select the stock to move to the next step. With the stock details in front of you, you'll notice a trade button. Tap on Trade to proceed. This is where you can get a closer look at the specifics of your transaction. Next, you'll see the option to buy. Tap on Buy, and you'll be prompted to choose your order type. Here, you have two options, market or limit. A market order will buy the stock at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy. Consider your investment strategy when making this selection. After choosing your order type, it's time to enter the amount you want to invest. You can do this using a decimal quantity, for example, 0.25 shares, or by specifying a dollar amount. This flexibility allows you to invest the exact amount you're comfortable with without needing to buy full shares. Once you've entered the amount, take a moment to review your order details. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Double-check the stock, the order type, and the amount. When everything looks good, tap on Buy to place your order. You'll be asked to confirm your order, so just follow the prompts to finalize your transaction. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process to buy fractional shares on Moomoo. With this newfound capability, you can continue to build and diversify your investment portfolio at your own pace. Remember, investing involves risks, including the potential loss of principal, so always do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor if needed. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.